What is up, everybody? It's your girl Bunny D93 coming back at you with the 1, 2, and the 3 for the Trinity. Alright, you guys, so let's just jump right into this. I am showing you guys today how to use cream blush and highlight using the Becca Watermelon. To me, this is a liquid. Some people consider it as a cream, depends on who you are. So I'm just using the back of my hand, warming it up, using a beauty blender here, and I am just going in. I like to tap in the middle, or let me say back middle of my face, going backwards away from the apples of my cheeks. And I'm just going to use light tapping motions here. I am going to go in on the other side. Now this is going to be for beginners. How I'm starting off, you can build up the level of coverage to your preference. So basically that just means you can add more, you can take away. If you need to take away, you can just go in with the little foundation on the back of that beauty blender. If you want to add more, of course, you already understand what to do. Just add more product here. So I'm going in on that opposite side using the same technique, just tapping. Going away, okay? I am tapping away. So here I'm just going in with that NYX Cream Stick Highlight, the Wet n Wild Duo Fiber Brush, just going to coat those bristles on both sides. I'm going to use tapping motions from the apples of my cheeks backwards. And I'm going to do the same technique on the other side here, just tapping away. So I'm just going to go back in here, noticing that basically to my liking it is a natural look in the camera, but I know you guys cannot see it, so I'm just going to add a little bit more blush so you can actually pick up the color that you can place down, and also just to show you guys that you can build up to your liking. It's to your preference how much color you want to add, how much color you don't want to have. So this is what I'm showing here. Next, I'm just going to use the residue that's left of that Sacha Buttercup up under the eyes. Now I'm going in with that powder highlight here, same duo fiber brush. This is Too Faced You Light Up My Life highlighter. Just a soft gold highlight here. And I'm going right on top, and as you can see as well, I may go up under the brow area just to kind of give it a soft, subtle highlight, just so it won't look like it's literally a line on my face. Not cute, okay? Not cute. Needs to look natural, okay? Now I am just going on top of all areas that I know for sure highlight every area of my face, using the chin, nose, cupid's bow, up under the brow bone, the enormous forehead here, but I'm gonna let that light shine, boo-boo. It's okay. Calm down. But just going to pick up a different brush here. This one is going to be used for the brow bone, inner tear duct, using this also on the bridge of my nose, as well as the cupid's bow. And you guys can see me going back and forth. I'm just basically analyzing where the light is hitting my face to see how much I need and which placement I need for this highlighting powder. Something I've also taken note of is to make sure that I'm not using too much powder or too much glow in certain areas. You don't want to look like you're oily or greasy or like you're sweating or you're hot and bothered, okay, boo-boo? It's not cute anymore, okay? You don't want to look sweaty and greasy. I had to say it like that, I'm sorry. So I'm just being very strategic in my placement, making sure that it looks soft, it's blended out. If I do place a little bit more, as you see, I'm going to go back and forth here. I don't want it to look necessarily like a line. I want it to look naturally highlighted. Next, I'm just going in with that Fenty Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb. And boom, baby, there you go. For God has not given us the spirit of fear, but of power and of love and a sound mind. Now y'all know I gotta pose, okay? Give me a minute. Just give me a minute, okay?